How to clean bent bottom of a stainless steel pan. What is the best way to clean bent bottom of a pot or pan? What is the best cleaner for cleaning bent bottom of a stainless steel pan? In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean bent bottom of a stainless steel pan by using Keppers Friend Soft Cleanser. We are going to try this on this stainless steel to see if this actually works, and let's dive right in. This is the bent bottom of our stainless steel pan, and you can see how filthy all this is. We're going to see how we can get this off. I've watched a lot of videos to see what is exactly that can get this off. I do have a cleaning product that really works well with this. A minute it will be gone. I want to try the Keppers Friend on this, as it says it does work, to see if it actually works on this and how long it's going to take us to finish this. So let me show you. This is the Keppers Friend Soft Cleaner. I have not used this before, but I did use the powdered one. I did use the cleanser, which is also the Keppers Friend Cleanser, to clean bottom of a pan. It did work. It just took a little bit longer to clean it, so that really worked. I'm going to try the soft one also on this stainless steel to see if this really works. As it says good on stainless steel and also on ceramic. You can also use it on tiles, also on copper and porcelain. So those are the things you can use it for. It's good for your cookware, and you have your bathroom sinks and then toilets, also your kitchen sink, and then also you can see an oven there, so that can be good for that as well. It says it removes rust, lime, stains and tarnish, and so we are going to use this to see. And on here it tells you how to use it. We have to shake this well before using. You squeeze this to the wet surface and then use a damp sponge and then do the rest, and do the cleaning. So, and that's what we are going to test this on. I'm going to see if this really works. So let's start first wetting the bottom of this first. So I'm going to wet this. So I'm going to take the cap off and we are going to open this. Okay. Alright, so that's how it looks like inside. It's a liquid, and then we are going to put the cap back on, and it says shake it, so we are going to shake it. And also remember to read the cautions on here. Always test it on the corner of something first, whatever you are using it on, before using it. It says it may itch or dull delicate surfaces, so just be careful and then be mindful of yourself. If you want to use a glass on your eye before using this, you can do that just to protect yourself, and it does have a first aid here when you get it into your eye. So we are going to spray. And what I'm going to do is, okay, with my wet sponge, I am going to try to spread this all around to make sure it covers everywhere. And we are just going to leave this on a little while. And I'm going to do it all around because everywhere we need to clean everything here. I'm just going to let this soak in a little bit, all this side. I'm going to put some inside of here as well. And also on the handle, just here. Okay. Now that we have dabbed it all around here, I am just going to put on my gloves and then we will start scrubbing. Alright, so I left this on for almost 3 minutes now. I am going to set the time to see how long it's going to take us to finish this. So I start the timer and let's start scrubbing. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, okay, amazing. It's coming off. Oh wow. Alright, let's see. It's gonna be going all around. Well, it is cleaning. That's amazing. I don't know if you have to use a soap pad, but just the sponge, it's working. So I guess you don't need a soap pad. Alright, so this is cleaning. Oh wow. Okay. Let's get it all out. Well, I'm loving this. It really works. Okay, let's get that one down here. Huh, that's amazing. Look at that. Okay. Alright, so now we are going to go to the side. This is really cleaning. Okay. Okay. That little thing here is gonna go. Okay, let's go around. Okay, maybe it's working. Then let's get this little down here. Oh wow, that is clean. Look at that. So we're gonna go inside and just give it a quick clean. So really looks good. Look at that. Alright, let's get the handle also clean. Okay. And then the only thing left is this little section here. And I'm just gonna put a little quick on there and see if that will take it off. Everything else has been taken off. Oh my, look at that, it's gone now. This little one here. That's the only thing left on here. Oh my. Well, you see it's going. It's going. It's going. It's just me. It has to be clean. If I'm cleaning, I am cleaning. Okay. Look, my friends. That is gone. Oh, wow. You just have to give it a few clean. And then the only thing left here now is the little section here, like the little corners. This corners here is the only thing that is left. And we are going to get it clean out. So to be able to get all these little edges, the corner here clean out, what I use is, this is an old thermometer that I use. This is old one, it doesn't work. You need the sharp edges to use, and just put it in here and then go along with it just in the little corner. You can also use, if you have a letter opener like this little knife, you only need the edge. You can use that and then just go around the edges just like that. And you can see it's taking most of this out. And then now it will be easy to use to get all this bent stuff out of there, to clean it. And you just don't have to use too much force on it. The thermometer really works fast for me. See how that one is working, and you won't worry about scratch. So just like that. And then you see how all these darken places. And then just use your sponge now. And actually I'm just going to use a little bit of that, drop there, and then just go over it. See the big change? Yeah, it's almost gone. Now just go over that again, because we do have the soft cleanser on there, so it will just go over it quickly. Look at that, just like that. Then you just use the sponge, and then you can see how much is taken off, and it will make it very, very new, very, very clean. And just use a little drop of that, and then you see the transformation already. Okay, so now you can see all these edges are done, and you can do the same thing on the handle as well. You can also use an office pin, like the clip. You can open it up and use just the middle, to go in here, just like this, as I am doing. And then anything hiding in these little corners will all come out. So that's what you just do here, just like that. And that's what we did. And you see, this is all clean. I mean, if you're not a clean freak like me, then you don't need to go this detail. But for me, if I'm cleaning, it has to be clean. So I have to spend the time, make sure I get every detail out. The same thing, like those little corners, edges here, that things are hiding. You can't get them to clean. Yeah, just use this. The thermometer works for me really well. The old, I don't use this anymore, but I have it anytime I need it. Then just use the sponge, and then look at that. See, it's gone. Give it a quick, that's it. So now we are done. I'm so amazed with this Keppers Friend soft cleaner. It does work. It really works. You just have to spend the time on it. Let's see how much minutes we spend cleaning this. Oh, okay. So we spent 20, it's still counting. So that's how much, 25 minutes to have this clean. And I'm going to stop. And we just washed this. This is because I am a thorough cleaner. If I'm cleaning, everything has to be clean in details, everything. So if you are just doing a wishy-washy, this should just take you like at least 10-15 minutes. You should be able to get this clean. All right. So now we are just going to wash this off. I love this. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. All the corners, every edges. Look at that. Can you believe it? When we first started, look at all this. Oh my. I am amazed. So as you can see, the Keppers Friend soft cleanser really works. It really works on the stainless steel, as it says. And look at that. It is clean. Like spotless. And inside, make sure the handles, every corner, every inch. all the little edges here that we're not cleaning, all clean. Look at that. Look at how shiny it is. This is amazing. Alright. Look at this. Look at how shining bright everything is. Look at the bottom. Look at this now. Very shining, very bright. Look, the bent bottom of your pot just look brand new. And that's how you do it. So it does really works. The Keppers Friend Soft Cleanser really works on stainless steel. And this is going to be one of my cleaning agents now. Hello friends, so I just show you how to clean bent bottom of your stainless steel pan and make it new again by using Keppers Friend Soft Cleanser. And this is what is the end result. Look at how shining, how bright, clean this bottom of this stainless steel pan is. It looks lovely. And I will say this is the first time that I'm using the Keppers Friend Soft Cleanser to clean the bottom of a pan, but it works so amazingly. I have recommended this for you. If you haven't tried this before, try it. It will make your pan look so amazing. I'm just loving it. I just fall in love with it. So this is going to be in addition to most of my cleaning product that I have, and I would trust you can use this because I have used it and it worked. And I just show you in this video. If you want to learn how to clean bent bottom of your pot by using Keppers Friend Cleanser, which is the powdered one, watch the next video. If you have any questions, leave in the comment section below for me. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more helpful videos like this. If you have any best cleaning product that you use that works really well, please leave it in the comment section below for me. As always, I thank you for watching my videos. Stay healthy, stay blessed, and I will see you on that video. Take care. Bye.